and welcome back to my channel. So ultimate wash day for me. So these braids have been in my head for almost 5 weeks now. You guys know I cut my hair and then I braided it up like this so that I could be able to wear my wigs and still be able to like grease my scalp and not worry about my natural hair. But this is what they look like. It is time to take them down. I also have a pimple on my forehead and I burned my forehead, so please ignore all of my scars and marks. But yeah, so I'm starting off first by just taking all of the braids down.
I wanna get you all alone now and go hide away from the lights, but I don't dare to, I'm too fragile, and for that I do apologize. Maybe someday we can work it out, but I'm afraid it's too late to try. Baby, I don't dare to love you, and you know the reason why.
So braids are finally out and this is what my hair looks like, and now it's time for me to prep for washing. So I'm going to be using a lot of Olaplex products today. So I love them for when my hair is straight or blow dried. So I'm starting off with number 0 and number 3 because before this you guys know that my hair was straight and then I literally went from straight hair to blow dried hair and braids. So I just want to make sure my curls are still intact, you know. So I'm going in with number 0 first, and then I'm going to go in with number 3 right on top of that.
Don't you know I'm way too weak to swim? Can't you feel the waves come crashing in? Running out of safety nets, cause every night I fall down in the middle of the night screaming, oh my God, cause your love's too deep. You know your love's too deep. I reach out in the middle of the night screaming, oh my, cause your love's too deep. You know your love's too deep. But I'm not afraid to admit.
So this is what my hair looks like with Olaplex number 0 and number 3 all throughout it. So I'm going to let this sit for about 10 minutes and then I'm going to go in and wash my hair with Olaplex number 4.
I used to feel safe next to you, babe. Now I'm thinking I deserve a hit. Maybe someday.
So doing a little snippet of this in front of the camera today because y'all, I just really hate filming in the shower. Like the footage always looks so good, but it makes such a mess. Like the floor and the rugs be so soaked. So yeah, I went in twice when I washed my hair. I did it once, rinsed it, and then I went in one more time to get a good lather and then rinsed it.
We could work it out, but I'm afraid it's too late to try. Baby, I don't dare to love you, and you know the reason why. Don't you know I'm way too weak to swim? Can't you feel the waves come crashing in? Running out of safety nets, cause every night.
So this is what my freshly washed curls are looking like, and now I'm going to go in with my black rice water and my deep conditioner, my LovelyBryana deep conditioner. So you guys know that when I first started growing my hair out, when I was wearing the headband wigs about 2 years ago, this was my go-to as a weekly treatment. So I'm back doing that now. So I just went ahead and put the rice water into the spray container to make it a little more easy, and then I'm going to go ahead and spray the rice water over my hair first, and then I'm going to go in with the LovelyBryana Oh Honey Moisture Mask right on top. So I found that doing the rice water with a moisture deep conditioner really makes a difference with my hair. I know a lot of people say that the protein from the rice water makes their hair really dry, which is why I do this, and it seems to be helping me a lot. So if you guys are having trouble with that, then maybe try switching to a moisturizing deep conditioner like the LovelyBryana Oh Honey Moisture Mask. But yeah, I'm going to go ahead and saturate my hair completely in both of these, and then I let it sit for about 30 minutes.
I fall down in the middle of the night screaming, oh my God, cause your love's too deep. You know your love's too deep. I reach out in the middle of the night screaming, oh my, cause your love's too deep. You know your love's too deep. Hey! Love's too deep.
So I'm using my dimming brush to go ahead and detangle and make sure all of my strands are completely saturated in the products. And then again, I let this sit for about 30 minutes. But yeah, this is what my hair looks like, completely saturated. And then you're going to see the difference of what my hair looks like from after rinsing out the deep conditioner and rice water versus when I just rinsed out the shampoo. So now I can go in with my Lovely Bees Leave It Be Leave-In Conditioner, and then I'm going in with the new product, which is a curl cream sample. So this is for Lovely Bees, y'all, and I'm hoping that this is going to be the one because I absolutely freaking love it so far. But yeah, I go in with the leave-in first, and then I'm going to go on top with the curl cream sample. This is just me trying it out, y'all, but I really liked it. So yeah, I'm going to go ahead and do that. Use my dimming brush to get my curls to pop up a little bit.
Oh, baby, yeah. Don't you know I'm way too weak to swim? Can't you feel the waves come crashing in? Running out of safety nets, cause every night and every I fall down in the middle of the night screaming, oh my God, cause your love's too deep. You know your love's too deep.
When I do my wash and goes, I like my hair to be completely saturated in water when I apply product, so that's why I'm reapplying the water, and this is warm water in this container. I would usually apply my leave-in in the shower, but I told y'all, like, it's just too messy. So yeah, I will apply my leave-in in the shower, let it soak into my hair, and then put the other products on top, but this worked just fine. I got no flaking, no clumping, no weird anything. Both of the products mixed really good together, which I'm happy about.
I reach out in the middle of the night screaming, oh my mind, cause your love's too deep. You know your love's too deep. Too deep.
So this is what my curls look like with the leave-in and the cream in. I didn't use the gel or mousse today because I really want to see how the cream does on its own. So I went ahead and changed shirts, and then this is about 15 minutes later. The curls are bouncing up slowly but surely, and all of the product is starting to absorb, which is amazing. And then here we are air dried. So I air dried outside, you guys, maybe about 3 hours, and I'm going in with a little bit of this Pattern Beauty jojoba oil. There was no crunch, but I just wanted a little more shine. But yeah, this is what it looks like. I'm going to fluff it and I'm going to stretch it using my blow dryer.
Your heart, keep it in your pocket for safekeeping. Don't ever let nobody.
So the picking gives me the volume, and then blow drying my roots gives me the stretch that I need.
Be the reason you throw it out, you stop caring about it. Don't let your hair get in the way, can't be defined by your mistakes.
So when I stretch my hair, I try to be as gentle as possible because any type of heat, my hair will want to go straight like in a second, okay? I will lose all definition. So I make sure to like hold my hair in the middle so that I'm not messing up my curls at the end. And then I really just focus on the roots. And then once I take the blow dryer away, I still hold it for a few seconds just so it can cool off and my hair doesn't bounce back up. And yeah, I just do this to each section until I get my hair at the length that I want it.
You try really hard, but sometimes you fall. Yeah, sometimes you fall.
And it really does make a difference, especially if you don't want to wait for second day hair. But you can see at the top, I held the blow dryer a little too long and I lost some definition. Like my hair was like, I want to be straight. But yeah, I just keep fluffing until I get the desired fluffiness. Obviously, day 2 hair is always the best in my opinion. But for day 1 with no gel, no mousse, no anything, this looked so freaking good to me. So happy about this curl cream, y'all. It should be out soon. But yeah, these are my final results. Also, my cut. My cut did amazing with my hair curlers. You guys know I cut my hair when it was blow dried. I used my Rev-Air to get it pretty straight, and then I did like a blunt cut. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I love you guys, and I'll see you on my next one.